Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make multiple page orientation in Google Docs, landscape and portrait in a single doc. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To make multi-page orientation in Google Doc, open a document in Google Doc. I have opened a document and I have two pages here. I want to make one page portrait and another one page landscape. I am going to make the second page landscape. Select the content of this page and then right click, and here you will find change page to landscape. Click on change page to landscape and look, this is the first page portrait and my second page is landscape. This is the easiest way to make multi-page orientation in Google Doc. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.